Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try brown pattern polo t-shirt with white pants and black slippers. Next you can try white pattern oversized shirt with white pants and black slippers. Next you can try brown t-shirt with light blue faded jeans and navy blue sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with black pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try navy blue shirt with white pants and black slippers. Next you can try white and blue printed shirt with tan pants and green sneakers. Next you can try tan oversized t-shirt with black cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try brown shirt with white pants and black loafers. Next you can try grey shirt with grey pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try brown oversized t-shirt with brown shorts and white and grey sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 pastel color outfit ideas.